Hello traders, Chartman Stocks here. Today we're looking at NXOI for August 22nd, 2011. Alright, we're going to look at a daily chart. Each one of these candles is 1 day in trading length, and this is about 3 months in trading length. We're going to pretty much pay attention to the last 2.5 months here when we started to see a little increase in volume, but unfortunately it was to the downside. So we've got, you can see our moving averages are moving down, the price is moving down. What we can do is we can draw a trend line from our high points. We get this sort of a slope here. You can see that every time it comes in contact with this resistance, it pushes the price down. You can also see the MACD, which is our momentum indicator. That's crossed over, suggesting that we're in a negative trend. Now, what's happened is that the price has actually left our main trend line. We've actually built up a secondary down trend line. So we can basically go from here. We've got a second trend pushing the price down. You can see this is the main one, this is a secondary one. And this generally can indicate a reversal of the overall trend. Basically, what could possibly be happening is that when the price moves down quite sharply, volume starts to come back in the stock, and when volume comes in, that generates buying interest. And what can happen is that the buying interest can actually send this out past this main trend line. Now you can see we've broken our secondary trend line. So right now we've got a breakout here, although the price is sort of consolidating sideways. We've got some resistance at at 0.02. So we're going to put a little resistance line here. You can see we hit 0.0199 and 0.02 is high points. So this is our horizontal resistance, and we've got a low point here after the breakout. So this should be a solid support. We could come down possibly and test this level. It's only a fraction of a penny away from where we currently are, from from 0.012 to 0.011. Is it probably as low as this stock is going to go. You can also see that MACD's crossed upwards here for the first time since it gave us a sell signal. So right now we've got positive momentum just starting to come back in the stock. A little more volume, we can break this resistance, we can test our downtrend line. So right now what we're sort of seeing is we've broken this selling pressure, and now we've sort of got some sideways movement between 0.011 and 0.020. So what we want to see is volume to pick up and break this resistance, and we can come up and test this downtrend line. Could also possibly see some resistance on the 20 moving average, which is at 0.022. 50 moving average is way up here at 0.047. So a lot of room to run from this particular entry. This is definitely low risk here. Further downside, like I said, is very minimal. We could possibly test the support. Unlikely we will technically go below it as we've broken this particular resistance area. RSI sort of giving us an overall oversold signal, but that's basically been going on since here, so we cannot really rely on this. What we could possibly see is overbought just over 50. You can see that the resistance previously had around 55 area, suggests maybe an overbought area. So we could possibly see maybe an RSI move up to 50, 55, possibly as an overbought type signal. But overall the stock's still in a downtrend. Like I said, now we currently have a opportunity to basically break this resistance as the price sort of comes down, slingshots off the support, and we have some resistance to break. Volume will play a very key factor here. Low volume day today, but that can certainly change tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Keep in mind I'm not an investment advisor, so don't take this as a buy or sell signal. Until next time, happy trading.